Hi, in today's video, I'll be giving you absolutely free template for brochure designs, and there are 3 designs that I've just designed for you to give to you for free. You get that? Yes. So for today's video, previous week we have designed outside template and an inside template. So this week I'm giving you 3 template for you to download and also use. Anytime you had a client who need a design for brochure, you can just download it and use it. And this thing I'll be giving you this and that and that. You get that? Yes. So make sure, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and let us get it done. You get that? Yes. So this is my YouTube channel, that is ABM Graphics. You can subscribe if you are new to this channel, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. This is ABM Graphics. You get that? Yes. So let us go to our Photoshop and I'll just guide you through on that. So there is the template 1, there is template 2, and there is template 3. You get that? And I've achieved all in this raw file. You can get it to download on my YouTube channel. So I'll put the link in the description below so that you can also download it and have it on your own. You can edit it. It's PSD file. You can edit it. You can make changes to it. Change everything you want. Everything that you want. You get that? Yes. So let us open up this particular one. That is the brochure 1. That is the template 1 for the tutorial for today. Yes, for you to see how it is, and then when you are also going to make changes, you can have those kind of things. So this was what we did last week, and as you can see, everything is there right now. You can download it. I have put the outside view and the inside view in this particular PSD file, so you can download it, and the size is not that big. It's just 102 megabyte. It's not that big, so you can make changes to it. So this was the outside view, and then this is the inside view. You can make any changes to it. You can change the images. You can change your distance, the font type. This particular font, I use Gotham over there, so you can make changes to it. I think the whole of this, I use Gotham and a poppies and a little bit font. I didn't use much fonts on that. You get that? Yes. So on this, you can make changes to it. When you use the outside, you can change the color. You can change the image of over here. You can change it, and you can make changes to the color of all this, and then all the images you can change it, and then this too you can also change it. However, with this particular social media icons, it's a font name called Tapicon. You can also download it from Google when you just type Tapicon. When you type Tapicon font, you can get it to download and you can use it. You get that? Yes. You get it, download it, and install it in your computer anytime you also do. You can get different variety of fonts, icons from that particular font. It's very, very good. You get that? Yes. And then that ends it for this one. You can make changes to all of them as we already did the previous. And then the next one too is the inside view. You can also make changes to it. You get that? Yes. Let's go to the template 2. This is the template 2, and that one too is not that a big this thing. It's just the same thing but a different view with when it comes to the first distance. This was designed for me, and I think when I did this, they like it and they use it. You get that? It was Adobe company that I designed this for. So with this, I have removed all their information, and I'm giving it to you for free. You get that? So this was the inside and this was the outside. You get that? So here you can place an image over here. That will be okay for you. And then here too, you can also place an image. You can place image here or here. No problem. So it just depends on the content that you are going to put in this brochure. So it's very good, and you can make changes to it on how you want it. You get that? Yes. And then if you want to change the color of the social media icons over here, you can just do that by changing the color over here, clicking on this, double click on this, and then you can put in any kind of color that you wish to use over there, and that one will be good for you. You get that? Yes. And that's it. And this template too is everything is aligned, and then the guidelines is there for you to see as you are working, so that when the trimming is going to do, you will not fall into any trap. You get that by trimming off your content, what you put in, you get that. Yes, so all this you can get it to download on my YouTube channel. You get that. Yes, let's go to the next template. That's template 3. So on the template 3 too, that one to have a different view. As I said earlier, always make sure that your first cover, that's the cover 1, this of the brochure, should have some kind of creativity on it. Person who try to read up this particular brochure, the first thing the person to see is the first cover. You get that? Yes, and that's the face of the brochure. That is what people are going to see, and then go into the inside to read more about that. You get that? Yes. So this is the first cover, and then this is the page 6, and this is page 5. You get that? Yes. So just try and get all this intact, and you are good to go. You get that? Yes. And then over here too, you can make changes to it. You can put your write-up here. Contact details can be here, and then any kind of details can also be here. You get that? Yes. And I've tried to group everything together so that you can see it and you will love it. You get that? Yes. And that's so good. So this is 5, which is here, and then 6, which is here, and then 1, which is here. You get that? Yes. And that's so good. So that is the outer cover. So this is the inner cover. The inner cover also is designed with this particular shape, this thing. You get that? Yes. So the inner cover, it depends on the kind of brochure that you are working on. So that is three-folded brochure. It's going to fold 3 times. You get that? Yes. So that's why I make it this way. And don't worry about the shape over here. Don't worry about that. Anything you want to put here, you can put it on, and you can even remove it. You can remove it if you want. You can remove it without any problem, and then put all your details on. You get that? Yes. I just do, and this is just a sample for you to see on how the brochure is being designed, and you can get different type of template over here, and then you can make changes to it too by changing the image, changing the color, and then creating your own design from this. So this is just a guide or a tips to help you get the best brochure in Photoshop. However, I've come up with a guideline so that you can be doing what's watching the guidelines, so that you don't have to finish up your work and then do the printing, and when the trimming is going to done, some of your text may be trimmed off. You get that? That's why I give you the guideline, so that it will help you out. You get that? Yes. So with that, I'm done with that, and that's so cool. So you get that? Yes. So I have 3 templates to give you for today, and that is so lovely, and you can use it anyhow you want it. It is free, and it is free. You get that? Yes. So however, the brochure has a password. It has a password that you have to watch to the end of this video so that you can get the password to download. You get that? Yes. So when you download it like this, let me resize up my distance to small. When you do that, you just have to double click. After download, you just have to double click on the free template for brochure, and the password is here. You just have to put in the password, and that's so cool. You get that? Yes. And when you're done with that, you just have to click OK. Then you are good to go. So this is the brochure, and you can do that by getting all the files in this system. And however, you can request for more tutorials, more free template from me, and don't worry about that. Keep on watching my videos, share, and then keep on liking and all that. You get that? Thank you very much for watching. This is ABN Graphics, and have a nice day. Bye bye.